Let's talk about Aiway for personal use. Normally, in general, people, in order to manage their different requirements every day, they had to go through managing their either professional resume or any social media activity or storing some data. For everything, people, they have to go through numerous sites which is available now. This concept helps people to go through everything in one place. Let's log on to the demo account. The first thing is you will see multiple applications. Let's talk about bookmarks. It's a simple tool to organize your favorite websites. It's easy to share with your Aiway friends, whoever you're bridged with, and you can access anywhere your favorites. You don't have to keep everything on your desktop or laptop, and then suddenly if you go to your friend's place or any other place, it becomes difficult. And you can create a category like news, general, or any other category you want to, and then you can add the link to the category, and then you can rearrange anytime. You can share with your friends. The share concept is very simple. The application, the share concept is the same in every different app. You can see you can move around, and then you can rearrange all your groups of favorites, whatever you want to share, and then it's pretty easy. Let's talk about sticky. Posting a sticky note, it's like storing all your sticky notes like on the paper. Instead of keeping it on the paper, you can store it electronically. You can also share it with multiple Aiway friends, and then it's very simple. It's the same concept. You can just click the add a note, and then you will get a pop-up, and then you can write a sticky name, and then you can write a text note, and then one side you can post it to yourself, and then also you can add others. And then it's pretty simple. You can have a different color coding for the different sticky notes, and the recent stickies, whatever the other people they are sending it to you, it'll appear on your recent sticky area. Once you see that, and then you can move it down, and then you can arrange in color coding area or whatever area you want to keep it, so it becomes much more easier for you to keep it nicely. And that's one of the app. And then let's talk about the wall. That's the another app. It's something like you have the photo albums you can create and share, and then you can even share your albums to outside the Aiway friends. And the comments like the chat, the comments like any other social media, you can exchange all your comments, and then you have like and dislike features available, and that's the cool feature of the wall. And then everything in one website, that keeps you pretty much engaged, and then it's very easier to maintain. You can see it's very simple. You return to Aiway, and then you can make your account settings. You can news feed is the one which you go to your friends wall, and then you can see what are the comments there. And you can create an album, and then it's simple, and then you can add files. You can start uploading whatever the files you selected, and you can select it from your laptop, and then you can just upload the files, and then you can see the test album has been created, and then you can go into that. You can edit the album. You can upload the images, and then also you can share it with others by clicking the here link. So it's as simple as that, and then you can see the share concept pretty much there. And the next one is Bioscope, which is nothing but maintaining your resume and build it and then maintain it on the website. And then you can also create your own new sections, because it's not like always people they are only specific to one particular industry or one particular kind of profession. So people will be in a position to create their own profession, like sports person or any other film star or any person. They can have their own kind of profile, and then they can even share it, get star rating with others. Contacts, which is another app, which is a very simple app where you can maintain all your contacts. You can even upload or download VCF format files or CSV format files, and it's very easy to maintain. You just add the contact, and then you can select different contact type and contact group and subgroup. If you don't have one available, you can also create your own contact group and type, and that's as simple as that. And it's your data will be available as an owner, and then you can also share it with others. You can hide some of the features if you don't want to share it with other people, and that's a very important aspect in this whole contact thing. You can share, or you can export the contact as VCF card, and then you can change. Folders, it's like document management online. It's a mini document management online, and you have control documentation of privileges, and you can also share it with selective users. And it becomes very easy to create subfolders, and it's almost like your laptop. You can maintain different kind of folder structure, and you can select certain information to share it with your friends or your partner or whoever you want to share. It's much more easier. You can see all your kind of your own partnered people. Their names are there appearing on the side, and then your friends. So you can select whichever person you want to give it as read only or write only. You can make a version documentation, the version of the documents, and then that's much more easier. You can maintain notes, and whenever you share, you can also make a notification through email and text, and all those features are available in this. Let's talk about private forum. Private forum is a very simple concept. You can share you can take up a topic, and then if you are in any profession, normally you just discuss with people, and then it's easier to create certain specific topic, and then you can discuss. Let's say you are in you are in a medicine, like health profession, or maybe you are a consulting computer consulting industry, or maybe you are a sports profession. You want to share certain information, and then it's all the like-minded people can have a certain forum, and then they can discuss, and then they can, as a group, they can discuss, and then they can store their information, and then it becomes much more useful. Even in school, people can create like Spanish club or something. The kids can have their own archives, so it's pretty much easier. And then you can also have the polls and stuff, so it's almost like even in some of the larger cities in India and other places, they have like a society in terms of maintaining certain apartments. They can even conduct some polls and stuff as a private group. So it's much more in a simple and simple manner they can use it. And then you have the access whichever the poll or whichever the forum you have created, and then that you can administer, and then you can even remove people if you don't want someone there, and that's the way it works. And let's talk about the community forum. The community forum is something similar to the private forum, but it's actually open to the public. So in the community forum, you have again the same thing, like you have polls and stuff, which is all there. You have different topics, and for each topics there are different threads you can create, and then you can have polls, and you have the search of different topics you can conduct, and then you can see on the side number of views, and then who created what, and all those details are available, and then number of viewers and stuff. Suppose if you want to move to the different community forum, like your neighborhood county or something, you can always change the zip code or the city code, and then you can move to that city and then participate in that forum. And then we talk about the community classifieds. The community classifieds are, the simple thing, which a tool which helps the local people to, create yard sale, garage sale, and then they can create 2 ads at a time for free. And then once their ads are removed, then they can always create another 2 ads. Anytime they can create 2 ads in the community forum. So it helps the community to exchange information free, without any much of an issue. And then let's talk about the next one, the alert. In the alert, a simple alert can be sent to your friends as a group. Like say for example, you can select it as an internal within one group, or you can select your contact. Then in the contact you have like contact type, like friends and families, or maybe your vendor or anybody. You'll be in a position to select an alert type, or you can even create an alert type and a reason, and then you can send a simple note, and then you can even send as a text to people so they can react immediately, instantaneously. So it's a simple tool which is available for people to communicate within among the group and much more simple manner. And then this is the alert feature, and then the other one is the community alert feature, which is very important for the community and as well as individual people. In this one you can select all your different classification, like the standard classifications are available, and then you can select food and restaurant or department stores or any kind of thing. You can go and then select a country and then your state and the city, and then you can select whichever the radius you want to cover, and then you can select all the different Aiway database members or the business owners. So whoever actually activated themselves as stating that they are publicly available to view, and then you will be in a position to select the email and text. You have the option, or you may be in a position to delete later if you don't want. So you control the whole system and the whole community alert, unlike other places where you give your email ID and then you're stuck with it. You have widgets and stuff which is going to come in future. In the feature, the features are going to come in the future, and then you like chat and different things we are going to bring in pretty soon. And then always don't forget to log out, and it's that simple. So this is the main thing about how you can use Aiway for personal use. Thank you.